This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Mercedes-Benz M-Class. This crossover has a 7-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features include a double wishbone independent front suspension, skid plates, a sunroof, aluminum wheels, roof rails, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: traction control and stability control systems, dual power seats, a power rear lift tailgate, a CD player, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a pollen filter, and this vehicle has less than 24,000 miles. This certified Mercedes-Benz isn't your typical used car. It comes with a 1-year factory-backed limited warranty with no deductible, a 7-day 500-mile exchange privilege, and virtually every system was rigorously inspected by factory-certified technicians. Consider it with confidence. This Mercedes has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. We invite you to contact us today to learn more about this vehicle.